Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS ZenFone 12 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. And as you can see right here, we've got the resolution. All we have to do is to tap on this option to change it. So now we've got 8K set, HD, FHD, or 4K again. So as you can see in this device, we've got 4 different options of the resolution. If you're not the biggest fan of tapping here, just open the upper bar just by tapping on this arrow, and the resolution is on the second position. You can quickly change it just by tapping on the specific option. If it is highlighted, it means that your device will now record the videos in chosen resolution. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.